In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things you need to get paid on YouTube. If you're just coming across my channel, this is Great with Alice. In this channel, I talked about how to grow your YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, how to be, in general, successful on YouTube as a content creator. Without wasting much of your time, the first thing that you need to get paid on YouTube is for you to join the YPP program, which means YouTube Partner Program, that will equip you. Without much ado, the next thing that you need, which is the second thing that you need to get paid on YouTube, is you need to have 1,000 subscribers, which before you will join the YouTube Partner Program, you will need to have 1,000 subscribers, which me and you, or any YouTuber that is monetized, meets the threshold. If you check my channel, you will see that I already have my 1,000 subscribers. So if without the 1,000 subscribers, you will not be paid on YouTube. So whatsoever it will take you, or whatsoever that will make you to have your 1,000 subscribers fast, so that you will get paid on YouTube, you need to do it and be able, so that you will be able to receive your payment on YouTube, because you can't do that without, like I said, you can't do that without that 1,000 subscriber. So now, without 1,000 subscriber, you will not be paid. The third thing that you need to get paid on YouTube is you must have 4,000 watch hour, which when you go around on YouTube, you have been hearing people saying 4,000 watch hour, 4,000 watch time. Two of them are the same thing, which you must have 4,000 watch hour for you to be paid on YouTube. So you will not be paid without you having 4,000 watch hour. 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers, all these must be available within 12 months of being on YouTube. Even if you have 1,000 subscribers and you do not have up to 4,000 watch hour, you will not be paid. Even if you have 4,000 watch hour or watch time and you do not have 1,000 subscriber, you will still not also be paid. So for you to be paid, you must have these two things, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour within 12 months. In this case, this is when you begin to see people saying their watch time is reducing, subscribers is reducing, because especially the watch hour, because you do not have it in 12 months. If today is your 12th month of being on YouTube and you are not monetized, the view that you get by this time last 12 months is going to be deducted. So let's say today is your favorite day and you were able to gather 3,000 watch hour, and by this time next year and you were not able to monetize, that 3,000 watch hour is definitely going to be gone and you will start afresh. So that is why everybody is working so hard. If you make sure, if you were able to accumulate a lot of watch hour within the year, make sure that by the end of your 12 months on YouTube that you have already monetized, so that the watch hour you get will not be reducing. You will not be losing watch hour. So this method or these things have affected a lot of people, and this make them to experience setback. So get it and understand how this watch hour of a thing and how this 12 months of a thing work on YouTube. The fourth one is for you to link your AdSense account to your Google, to your YouTube, linking your AdSense account to your YouTube. What will you do? You have already gotten your 1,000 and 4,000 threshold. So the next thing is for you to link your YouTube account to your Google AdSense, which the YouTube is also going to send you a link so that you can, streamline this process without, without any issue. For you to, link your Google AdSense account, you have to first of all go to googleadsense.com and create your AdSense account so that you will be able to link the two. So you can't link any Google AdSense on YouTube without you creating a Google AdSense account. So before you will now, link your Google AdSense account, these two have to balance. You need to, get your Google AdSense account to be able to link it with your YouTube account. Then before you do that, make sure that you did not previously create a Google AdSense account so that it's not going to affect you. Because once you have two Google AdSense accounts, they are going to have issues. Please, you have to, you have to be careful and make sure you have not in your life created a Google AdSense account so that you will know if you have already created the Google AdSense account before you meet the YouTube Partner Program for payment. You will make sure that you have already, you will make sure that you do not have two Google AdSense accounts. The fifth one is make sure that you follow YouTube monetization policy so that you don't enter into what will make you not to be paid. Follow the content guideline. Make sure you do not post what YouTube say you should not post. Make sure that you know the kind of words that you use, and also make sure that the rules is there before you accept for the YPP, which is the YouTube Partner Program. The list of the rules are there, so calmly and comfortably at your own time without being pressured, read the process or read the information very well so that you will make sure that you follow the YouTube monetization policy. Now, if you have watched up to this time and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.